That was absolutely beautiful. It's such a sense of peace when you come in here.
Selamat pagi from KL.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we are doing something out of the norm and exciting for us. We are going to be visiting the National Mosque of Malaysia, and it's Friday, so they're going to have the Friday prayers, and we are going to attend the prayers. And before any of you get offended or something, just to let you know, we are Muslim, so we are not just going because as tourists or something. We are going to pray as well, and we want to take you along with us. So a quick fact about Masjid Negara: it's one of the biggest mosques in KL. It can hold up to 15,000 worshippers. We're excited to see and experience Friday prayer in another city, in another country, and see how they do it here. So come along with us and let's go. Okay guys, so we just got here and it's really busy. Obviously this is the busiest day of the week here. Malaysia is 60% Muslim, so everyone is coming for the Friday prayer. Let's go see what's inside. Okay, so the men and women don't pray together. That's out of respect for the women. So Lauren is going to go to the women's section. It's very spacious and beautiful. As I said previously, it can accommodate 15,000 people. So look at how vast the space is. They've even got some water features here. Look at the detail on the roof.
Yang kedua, mencintai Rasulullah SAW. Yang ketiga, kita kena mentaati dan menjalankan perintah Rasulullah SAW.
This place is really massive. I haven't got my bearings here yet, but just look at how big it is. Look at the water down there. Everyone's sitting down getting ready for the prayer. I think this is the main prayer hall. I won't speak much inside there because there is a lecture going on and I don't want to be disrespectful, obviously, but I'll show you inside. Wow guys, look how massive it is. That was absolutely beautiful. It's such a sense of peace when you come in here. Obviously it's really busy, but there's no chaos. Everyone's just here to pray. It was really beautiful. So right across the road from the mosque is this Islamic museum. It's really beautiful. So if you are in the area, then maybe make that your next stop. It's really an amazing museum. It gives you the whole history here. Islamic Arts Museum of Malaysia. Okay guys, that was very beautiful. We really enjoyed that.
It's a nice experience, you know, Friday prayers in a different country.
Yeah.
Seeing all the local people come to the mosque. There was quite a small ladies section. It's always very small, but it was nice to be able to join in as well. Men's side was busy.
Yeah, it was really full. Obviously the Friday prayer is the busiest. It was really amazing inside. Every mosque you do go to, this big mosque, you just get this sense of peace and calm. It's really amazing. And for those of you who are not Muslim, you can visit as well. It's closed on Fridays during the prayer times, but you can visit most other days. Just make sure you're dressed appropriately. And if you are not, they will provide you with suitable attire. So don't let that discourage you from coming to visit. It's really something to see. It's magnificent, it's massive, and it's the National Mosque of Malaysia. So make sure you add that to your KL itinerary. Until next time, we'll see you in the next one.